section, you're going to learn my step-by-step YouTube money-making system, and I'll also be teaching you on how to bring in customers to your YouTube videos in the later part of the course. So let's get started. This system is actually a 4-step process, and let's see the first step in this lecture, which is conducting proper keyword research. So how to find proper keyword for your YouTube video? The first step is conducting proper keyword research. Like we do SEO for normal sites, my YouTube money making system also starts with finding the proper keyword for your YouTube videos. Here your main goal is to find keywords that have YouTube results on the first page of Google. We call these as video keywords. Here is an example of the video keyword. You can see a YouTube video already ranked for the keyword. In general, Google tends to use video results for these type of keywords. Basically, these video keywords have some common traits. Now let's see them one by one. Number 1 is how to type keyword. For example, how to dance salsa. Then you can also do review type keyword. Let's say for example Bluehost review. Tutorial type videos also have a lot of YouTube video ranking usually. Any videos related to fitness or sports will also get ranked easily in Google. So make sure you choose any of these video keywords in your niche for easy ranking. I'll be showing you on how to choose a niche and keywords further in the next session, so no need to worry about it. Now, why I'm suggesting this video type keywords? Well, let's say you optimize your video around a keyword that does not have any video results in Google. In that case, you'll only get traffic from people searching on YouTube. But if you optimize for video keywords, you can also get targeted traffic to your video from Google with a little off-site SEO for your YouTube video. Now, how to find video keywords? The easiest way to find video keywords is to search for keyword in your niche. If you are concentrating on YouTube searches, you can skip this particular step. Then see if any of the keywords you searched for have YouTube video results. Once you have found your video keywords, now it is time to check if there is enough search volume for that keyword. Just make sure your target keywords gets at least 300 searches per month in Google. I understand that you want to see everything in practical. In the next lecture, I'll be explaining you on how to do proper keyword research using Google Keyword Planner and keywordtool.io, which will make easier for you. All the above steps will be completely automated in the next lecture.